Have you ever thought about visiting Split in Croatia? Or maybe you've heard the name but don't know what makes it so special. In this video, we'll be exploring Split. We're taking you through the town, the stunning beaches, the hidden local gems, the best spots to eat, party, unwind and relax. Welcome to Split, Croatia, a stunning coastal gem where ancient history meets vibrant modern life. Join us as we explore the charming streets, beautiful beaches and exciting nightlife along the sparkling Adriatic coast. Our journey begins in Split's lively town centre along the iconic Riva Promenade. This bustling waterfront strip lined with palm trees, cafes and restaurants is the perfect spot to relax and watch the world go by. The harbour glistens under the sun and you can see boats coming and going as locals and visitors mingle in the open air squares. Just steps away lies the historic Old Town, a maze of narrow stone streets and hidden courtyards filled with stories dating back to the Roman times. The blend of Mediterranean charm and ancient architecture creates a truly unforgettable atmosphere. One of the highlights here is Diocletian's Palace, not just a monument, but a living part of the city. Within its ancient walls, you'll find bars, shops, restaurants, and apartments where locals still live today. Walking through feels like stepping back in time while still being surrounded by modern life. You'll also come across charming little squares like Peristyle, where locals gather for music and events. And you might still hear traditional clapper singing, echoing through the stone arches. Street performers, market stalls and cozy cafes add to the vibrant mix. Whether you're grabbing a coffee, sampling fresh seafood or simply strolling with an ice cream in hand, the town centre embodies Split's relaxed yet lively spirit. As we wander along the Riva Strip, you'll see how the energy of the city blends seamlessly with its history. A place where every corner has a story and every moment feels alive. And the beauty doesn't just stop in Riva or the Old Town. If you carry on walking past the boats, there is still outstanding beauty looking back onto the Split town centre. And after all day of walking, it's not a bad idea to look for some food, and don't worry, there's plenty of that in Split. There's a market which offers fresh fruits and food. There are plenty of restaurants catering to every taste, so you won't be disappointed with choice. As evening falls, Split town centre transforms into a magical scene. The river promenade lights up with a warm glow, while lively cafes and bars welcome visitors. The old town's cobbled streets fill with laughter, music and joy, creating summer vibes and atmosphere that lasts well into the night. It's the perfect time to enjoy a leisurely dinner or simply soak up the vibrant nightlife that defines this coastal city. Musicians often perform in the squares, adding to the charm, and you'll notice how the energy shifts, relaxed during the day but buzzing with excitement after dark. Whether you prefer a quiet glass of wine under the stars or join in the lively crowds in the square, Split at night offers an unforgettable experience. A short trip from the town centre brings us to the Žnjan city beach, a spacious pebble beach with crystal clear waters ideal for swimming and sunbathing. At the beginning of the beach, you will find the Mistral Beach Club, where you can relax on comfortable lounges, enjoy refreshing cocktails and listen to upbeat DJ tunes as the sea breeze keeps you cool. This beach perfectly blends relaxation with lively beach vibes. But Žnjan isn't just about sun and cocktails. It's also one of the most versatile beaches in Split. Families love it here because of the shallow entry points and plenty of space for the kids to play. This also includes some diving spots as well. For those looking to stay active, the promenade behind the beach has basketball courts, volleyball nets, football muggers and even areas for cycling, rollerblading and jogging. You'll also find water sports like paddleboarding and jet ski rentals, giving you plenty of options if you want more than just a swim. Along the waterfront, small cafes and kiosks serve snacks, ice creams, cold drinks, so you're never too far from refreshments. On weekends, the beach often becomes a social hotspot, with locals gathering for sports, music, or simply just enjoying time with friends by the water. Whether you're here for relaxation, family fun, or a bit of activity, Žnjan City Beach has something for everybody. With its stunning views across the Adriatic Sea, spacious layout, and vibrant yet laid-back atmosphere, it's no surprise that this is one of Split's most favourite seaside escapes. Now we head over to Plaža Ježinac, one of Split's most picturesque little beaches. Tucked away just on the outside of the centre, it's known for its calm turquoise waters and peaceful atmosphere. Surrounded by lush greenery and elegant seaside villas, it feels more intimate compared to the busier city beaches. The pebble shoreline makes it perfect for a refreshing swim or simply relaxing with incredible views of the Adriatic. Jezinac is a hidden gem where you can slow down and truly unwind. One of the best ways to experience Split is to head out to sea, and this boat tour has the perfect adventure. As we leave the harbour, the city skyline slowly fades into the distance and the Adriatic stretches out around us, sparkling in the sun. The sea breeze, the gentle rocking of the boat, and the sound of the waves against the hull already set the mood for the day of exploring. Our first destination is the famous Blue Lagoon, a natural paradise known for its shallow turquoise waters, soft white seabed. As the boat anchors, the colours of the water are almost unreal, a mix of bright blues and greens that invite you to just jump in straight away. Swimming here feels like being in a giant natural pool. For those who like to explore, the Blue Lagoon is also home to a small underwater museum where you can snorkel and spot sculptures resting beneath the surface. A unique experience that makes this lagoon more than just a swim stop. If you haven't got your snorkeling equipment, don't panic. You can always rent it from the bar. After snorkeling in the water and relaxing on the deck, we continue to our next stop, Beach Bar Borkko. This laid-back island hideaway has everything you need for a perfect break. Sandy spots to kick back, chilled music drifting through the air, and refreshing cocktails served just a few steps away from the sea. It's the kind of place where time just slows down. You can sip a drink with your feet in the sand, take a swim into the clear shallow waters, or simply relax and enjoy the island atmosphere. When it's time to return, the journey back to Split is just as memorable. As the boat glides across the calm Adriatic, you'll pass rocky coves, tiny fishing villages, and distant islands dotted in the horizon. The late afternoon sun begins to sink lower in the sky, casting a golden shimmer over the waves. The water reflects the shades of orange and pink. Warm light softens the outline of the mountains behind Split. Some people relax quietly, others laugh and share stories. Everyone caught in the spell of Adriatic dusk. It's the perfect ending to the day out at sea. A peaceful cruise back towards the lively Riva strip, carrying memories of turquoise lagoons, hidden beach bars, and unforgettable moments on the water. As the day begins to wind down, one of the most magical experiences in Split is the sunset boat trip. Leaving the harbour, the golden light reflects off of the waves, and the Adriatic feels calm and endless. The sky slowly shifts throughout a palette of colours, from soft yellows to deep orange and fairy reds, finally blending into purples and pinks as the sun touches the horizon. On board, there's a mix of energy and calm. Some people sit quietly taking photos or simply soaking up the beauty, while others toast with drinks and enjoy the music in the background. The air is warm, the sea is gentle, and the entire coastline glows in the fading lights. It's more than just a boat ride, it's a moment of peace and wonder. A perfect memory to carry a long way with you after leaving Split. One thing to note is in Split, you won't see the sun set behind the sea. It usually sets behind the mountains due to the nature of the Adriatic coast. If you're looking for something a little wilder, Split boat parties are the place to be. By day, the Adriatic becomes your dance floor. DJs keeping the music pumping, drinks flowing, and the energy is non-stop. As you sail past some of Croatia's most stunning coastline, people dance on the deck, jump into the sea for a swim, and celebrate under the sun with a few friends from all over the world. By night, the atmosphere takes on a whole new vibe. The lights come on, the bass gets deeper, and the stars above create the perfect backdrop from a party unlike any other. With the sea breeze keeping everyone cool, and the skyline of Split in the distance, these boat parties deliver a mix of adventure, music, and unforgettable memories that you won't find anywhere else. The nightlife scene in Split is to not be underestimated. It is incredible. There is so much going on here, with some of the main clubs featuring Boiler and Central. Entry prices do vary here, and some places do only take cash. When it comes to accommodation, Split offers something for every style and budget. If you want to be in the centre of it all, staying inside or near the old town means you'll wake up surrounded by history, cafes, shops, landmarks right at your doorstep. For those preferring a quicker escape, boutiques, hotels and Airbnb apartments, which are the most popular type of accommodation at the moment, give you sea views and easy access to the beaches. Budget travellers will find plenty of hostels and guest houses that are social and affordable. If you're after luxury, Split has modern resorts and stylish hotels with pools, spas and rooftop terraces. If you're lucky enough to be visiting Split in July, don't miss the Ultra Europe Music Festival, one of the biggest electronic dance music festivals in the world. Thousands of music lovers gather together for an incredible weekend filled with world-class DJs and amazing atmosphere. How do you think Split compares to other European coastal escapes, and what are your opinions?